Hey guys, just a quick video here. In case you have missed to, watch the detailed ones which I shared in the morning. As I write this post, I thought it'll be easier to explain on a video on where to look for new trades, right? Though it's a little complicated that okay, this can still make a new high at 7,000. It could be a ending diagonal with this four overlapping into the one. That's an only option left for the bulls to even get to 7,000 without pulling back lower, right? This is possible. Very theoretically, yes, it's possible, but very much dependent on how the market is gonna react to the next catalyst, which, in my opinion, it could be either the Supreme Court ruling for tomorrow, or it could be anything with the shutdown as well, right? So anything can happen there, but I'm not betting on new longs here. I still have some which I would love to exit if I get this pump, but not really trying to trade right here in the into the middle, right? So keeping that as is in mind, that not trying to kind of bet on this one, but if we get this rally, I'll be able to exit whatever I have remaining, and then potentially look for short as well, right? So short here would be an option. Right now, not doing any longs or not. I'm trying to short this given the catalyst is pending and it's going to be news driven. I'm just looking at right now how it does into the night and tomorrow. And if it sells, right? So if it sells, then the next level of liquidity comes here at 6654, and then head lower. Now we have quite a few points here where this can sell into, and this is the last order block that we had, right? So I would expect somewhere into the this order block, and the psychological level will be somewhere around 600 right here. So what I will be looking at is really a shift in the price action here, shift in the delivery. 4 hour is almost getting oversold right into this level, but if it keeps pushing further overnight, we might see a little bit of a move up during the day, and then one sell off for the fifth wave later on, probably after the catalyst, right? So whatever whichever way it comes down here, what I would want to see is one, some sort of a bullish divergence forming on 4 hour based on this pattern, right? And then an inverse fair value gap, inversing any fair value, bearish fair value gap that gets created in this leg, that needs to be inversed with a new bullish imbalance or a bullish fair value gap, right? So that will kind of give me um, the confidence that okay, this leg selling is off, and if this leg was indeed a C leg, there was no fifth wave truncation or anything like that, it's simply a running flat of A, B, C, then we simply can start moving up from there, and we'll track from each resistance level that first it needs to cross from 6766 and 6767, and then higher into 6823. We don't want to be overly confident that something like this, it goes up and then we get one more leg lower from there, and it was not a running flat, but it was simply a wave 4 with some kind of a truncation of the fifth wave which happened here, right? So there are a few scenarios which always come into the play when we are into the correction, so we have to kind of look into it from the liquidity perspective and how the waves are forming, which level resists, where does it start inversing again, creating inverse fair value gaps, and all that kind of good stuff. But for now, the simple instruction is that don't do anything. Let this play out. Let this come into the 6600 mark. See where it inverses, and then do new longs, right? So that's what I would be looking at. And if this somehow have a miracle and this happens to be a ending diagonal, it will work well for me anyway. So again, I'm not short here. If you're looking at shorts, you should be looking at shorts here. And if you're looking for longs, I already explained how to look for the longs, right? So that's about it. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.